The history of web analytics. At the beginning of this millennium, there weren't that many companies that had a website, and even fewer that tracked the user behavior. When I say user behavior, it's a fraction compared to what we're able to track today. This is the way they would track the user behavior. We can see the timestamp, the page that was viewed or the image, the user's IP, which can be translated into the geolocation, and so on. This isn't easy to analyze, right? You know what? Analyzing is only part of the chain. We need to first be able to collect the data, organize it in a specific data structure, store it, and be able to easily reach it for analysis. At those days, there were some companies that offered the whole package, including a generic user interface for friendly analysis for a very high price. Urchin is an example of one of them. What's unique about Urchin is that in 2005, Google acquired Urchin and transformed it into Google Analytics that was provided free to everyone. If you're familiar with the concept UTM, it's named after Urchin. The Monty Hall problem is a brain teaser. It's named after the original host of the American television game show Let's Make a Deal. Suppose you're in the game show and you're given the choice of 3 doors. Behind one door, there's a car. Behind the others, goats. You pick a door, say number 1. And the host, who knows what's behind the doors, opens another door, say number 3. Which has a goat? He then says to you, do you want to pick door number 2? Is it to your advantage to switch your choice? Before we go on, I would like you to think. What would have you done? Would you stay in your initial choice, door number 1, or switch to door number 2? Did the odds change now that the host revealed door number 3? The statistical answer is that before the host revealed the third door, there's 33.3% for a car behind each door. After he revealed the third door, the 33% from the third door added up to the 33% in the second door. So now that you know the statistics, is there a chance that you'll stay? Of course not. The second the host revealed the third door, he gave us data. The reason I gave the Monty Hall problem example is to show how much you can leverage using the data. For any one of you that haven't read Avinash's book, Web Analytics, I highly recommend. During the course, I'll quote him quite often. One very interesting issue Avinash discusses at the beginning of his book is that when you enter the supermarket and buy nothing, the manager of the supermarket won't even know you visited a supermarket today. On the other hand, if you visit your local clothing store, the owner of the store will analyze you right away. How old are you? What do you wear? Are you a returning customer? And what type of mood are you right now? And your behavior in the store. What are you looking at? For how long? And so on. But what if there are 20 customers in the store? Today, with the right implementation of Google Analytics, you're able to know so much about the customer journey. His age? Where did he come from? How many times has he visited before? Interest? How long did he stay? What products did he view? Added to his cart, removed from his cart, and so much more. All of this will be covered in the course.